We are out in Sooke today where we are honored to showcase this beautiful property in the Broomhill area. Now, built in 2019, which means it's still covered under warranty, this home is a 3-bed and den, spans over 2,500 square feet with a 2-bedroom suite. And what I love about this property is that what you don't really find in these Sooke subdivisions is a beautiful backyard that also backs onto a green space full of walking trails. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and welcome to 2516 West Trail Court.